Cross-platform apps on Commercio.network. Here are 5 realities no one will tell you about the compatibility across Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, and Android. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Businesses are increasingly relying on technology to manage their operations, but with so many different platforms and systems available, it can be challenging to ensure compatibility across all devices and platforms. This is where Commercio.network comes in, with its suite of apps designed to help businesses achieve compatibility across multiple platforms. One of the biggest challenges facing businesses today is ensuring that their software and apps are compatible across different devices and platforms. Achieving cross-platform compatibility can bring many benefits to businesses, including increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved user experience. Commercio.network is a blockchain-based platform that offers a suite of apps designed to help businesses achieve cross-platform compatibility. These apps include Commercio Docs, Commercio Pay, and Commercio ID. All of these apps are designed to be compatible across multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, ensuring that businesses can use them on any device they choose. Commercio Docs allows businesses to share and sign documents securely across multiple platforms, including web, mobile, and desktop. Commercio Pay enables businesses to send and receive payments in various currencies, making it easier to transact with customers and partners around the world. Commercio ID allows businesses to create and manage digital identities for employees and customers, enabling them to access company resources securely from any device. By using Commercio.network's suite of apps, businesses can achieve compatibility across multiple platforms, increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve user experience. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, Commercio.network's apps can help you achieve your goals and succeed in today's ever-changing digital landscape. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.